Guys, what's up? So in this big video I'm going to show you how you can get this hybrid filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, this is the effect. So many of you asking where to get this effect from my last video. So you can go to effect gallery and you can search for this filter, but it's very difficult to find from search or from for you page. So what you can do, let's go to for you page. And here search for the creator name, Janu. You go to his profile. Yeah, you can follow him to unlock all this filter to your camera. You go to his effect gallery and this is a filter hybrid with 298.9k videos demo it. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Like this. Okay, and that's it. You got the filters. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys.